guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be touring you to my new house or new room. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. So I'm not sure if you watched my flat tour from when I arrived here in the UK. So I promised that I'll do a house tour once we've moved to our new house. So I know it's long overdue. It's been 3 months since we've been here in the UK and we had to do some stuff. So we've been busy with the OSCE studies and duty. So now that the OSCE has been finished, I can show you around into my new home. Samahan niyo ako to tour my home. So before I tour you of what's inside, i-tour ko muna kayo sa labas so that you'll see kung ano yung itsura niya sa labas. Although it's not yet really finished, but you'll get a view of what's outside. So samahan niyo. So currently, yung nakahanap namin na house, it's 18 to 20 minutes walk from the hospital. So we're trying to look for a house that's close, yung pwede naming lakarin. Pero so far, all of the ones that's close to the hospital is already taken. May nakita kami mas malapit pero hindi pwede yung hindi related to each other. So this is the one that we came across. This is a 6-bedroom house. And dun sa 6-bedroom na yon, one is a studio. So ako na yung kumuha ng studio since my husband is coming soon. So for the meantime, while I'm getting myself settled, then dito muna ako sa studio. And the landlord even told me that it's okay to house 2 people on the studio kasi this house can have 8 tenants. Kasi may isang room na parang master's bedroom and then this studio. Usually this used to be a conservatory but it was converted into a studio. So it's really nice kasi I have my own kitchenette and may privacy ako. So ang cute lang. So I really am excited to share this with you. And it's already furnished. So fully furnished yung house and the bills are included. So kasama na yung sa TV license, electricity, water, and council tax. So I'm paying 500 pounds for the studio. And I think once my husband arrives, I think it's a pretty sweet deal since it's 500 for the both of us. So yun nga, samahan nyo ako to tour around the house. So this is the entry to the main house. So dito sila pumapasok. Ako dito ako kasi the studio is out back. So meron siyang door dito. So that leads to the backyard. So medyo bato-bato siya. I don't know, yan na yata yun. Then this opens and leads to the main kitchen. So ayan yung main kitchen. And then ito yung likod. So it's not yet finished as I've mentioned, pero I think they're planning to do magla-landscaping ata sila dito. Pero I just wanna show you what's outside. So ayan siya. Medyo malawak siya. So, I think in the summertime, maganda ditong tumambay, mag-barbecue. So, maybe they're gonna do some outdoor seating. So, yung mga may upuan, ganyan. And this is what's behind. So, merong park outside. So, ayan siya. Tapos, may malawak na field. So, it's very nice. So, ito yung house. So, ano siya, luma siya, but it was renovated. So, as I was saying, conservatory daw to. Itong part na to. So, ito yung aking house. So, let's get inside. So, pag pumasok ka, sa kitchen ka agad pupunta. So this is the kitchen. So maliit lang siya. And it's okay for 1 to 2 persons. Kami hindi naman kami sa space. So, we can manage to maneuver ourselves kahit sa maliit na space. Kasi dun sa previous accommodation namin sa Saudi, maliit lang din. And it's fine. And maganda siya kasi modern yung design. So, if you've seen outside, medyo parang luma. And yung common na mga English houses, yung mga bricks, ganon. Pero once you go inside, medyo modern na yung design. So, it's nice. And everything is provided. So, furnished siya. Bumili ako ng mga ibang mga gamit, pero minimal lang. So, andito yung heating. So, may radiator. So, kasi malamig. And then, there's a table. So, mataas yung table na yan. Don't mind the boxes. These are for recycling. So, yan. So, may table. Then, may mini fridge. Diyan sa mini fridge na yan, it was originally on that spot. Pero I requested to have a washer since nga para hindi na ako maglalaba doon sa main house since we work in the hospital. So it's better na once pagkapasok ko ng house, I can just remove my clothes and throw it into the washer. So, ayan, may washer and then may dalawang bar stool. So dito siya sa table na to. So, yan. Cute lang naman kami. So, kasyang-kasya kami. And then, ito yung kitchen. So, may oven. Then, yung hob. Ito. Tapos, may mga cupboard. So, mga cupboard na yun, wala pa yan masyadong laman. So, ito. Yan, mga supplies. Food and other stuff. Then, provided nila yung microwave. The rice cooker, ito yung shared namin ng roommate ko. So, yan. So, tumubo na yung patatas ko. So, tatanim ko na yan. So, ito yung kitchen. So, ganyan lang siya. Then, may mga stains yung wall. So, I don't know kung dahil siya sa paggagawa or maybe they try to clean it pero nag-stain na siya. So, yan siya. And then, I bought a shoe rack. So, para may paglagyan yung mga sapatos ko. And then, meron lang siyang maliit na hallway dito. So, I put a clothes rack. Kasi, hindi kaya ng radiator rack yung mga damit. So, it doubles as a coat rack na din. Kasi nga, ang liit tong space. So, I have to make sure that I maximize everything. So, if wala akong laundry, dito ko sinasampa yung mga coats ko na gamit na. So, ayan, as you can see. And then, ito, ang cute-cute niya. So, this is the heating system. So, you can manage the heater and the water if you want it more hot. Pwede mo siyang i-control dito. And you can connect it to your phone. So, that's awesome. So, eto na yung view ng house. So, medyo magulo pa siya, pero may mga stuff na hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. So, ito yung bed. And then, dito, you'll find a bathroom. So, studio siya and suite. So, may toilet na siya. All the rooms in this house are en-suite. So, may toilet sila lahat. So, cute kasi may sarili kang banyo. So, we have a towel rack. Yan. So, hi. Tapos, syempre, mga Pinoy, may timba, tsaka may tabo. So, that's the bathroom. So, close natin yan. And then, ito na. So, we have a bed. So, this is a double bed. So, that's why the landlord said that 2 people can stay here. Kasi double bed naman siya eh. And then, my mirror. So, ayan siya. And another radiator. So, improvised lang kasi I can't put screws for my mirror. So, okay na siya na ganyan, nakatayo. Nakikita ko naman yung sarili ko. And then, merong side table. So, ang cute nung detail nung wall. And the color is olive green. So, it's so nice. Tapos, may cabinet. Andun yung Christmas tree ko. And then, ayun. So, minake sure ko na lang na medyo luwag dito kasi ayoko nung medyo masikip. And then, I have my tiny heater kasi when we moved here, the heating system is not really that good yet. So, bumili muna ako nitong portable heater. If it gets really cold, pwede ko siyang gamitin. So, that's cute. Then, may dresser. Ito, may cabinet dito. And then, meron din ito. Then, may desk. Binigyan nila kami ng desk. Then, this is the window that you've seen outside. So, ayan. Hindi pa masyadong maganda yung view. Pero hopefully, in the summer or spring, mag-landscaping na sila dyan and may garden, may mga bulak-bulaklak. Then, this one. So, ayan. So, may lagayan ng mga knickknacks dyan sa taas. So, that's it. So, yun lang yung house ko dito. So, I have a tenancy of 1 year, pero meron siyang break clause for 6 months. If in 6 months you decided na ayaw mo na, you can break the contract. Parang ganun, without paying for anything. I'm not really sure. I'm not really familiar with those types of things. But I am not really planning to move anytime soon. So, I think di ko naman mabibreak yung tenancy. And the landlord is very kind. Every time na meron kaming mga concerns about the house, he immediately responds to us, and he's Asian, so he understands where we're coming from. So, hindi rin siya masyadong mahirap kausap. And I think that's it. I really want to take my family because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them. My family has been consistently supporting my nursing career. So, I am really, really blessed to have them. And also to my husband's family. So, yung husband ko, he's been there during the time na na-unemployed ako. Kasi I was unemployed for more than 8 months yata due to the deployment ban. So, nawalan ako ng work. So, he's been there for me. He's been supporting me all throughout this journey. And he's gonna be joining me here soon. So, I wanna thank him and his family as well. So, sa nanay at tatay niya who's been very supportive of me as well. And I know last year has been very difficult for our family due to the losses of my grandmothers and my husband's father, and just recently his uncle passed. So I really dedicate to them all the success that I have been receiving lately. I will not be here if it wasn't for their support and motivation. So I dedicate this to them and to my friends. So lahat ng friends ko are very supportive. Lahat ng friends ko sa Philippines, my friends sa Agras, my newfound friends here in the UK, so yung mga cohort mates ko, and yung mga other friends na nami-meet ko, the prison nurses. So everybody's been kind, and they have been making this journey a little more bearable. So it's very challenging. I know that this is just the start of my career here in the UK, but hopefully may inspire kayo to come here. I'm not showing you this house to brag or anything. I just want to have you feel how I feel, kasi I've been watching videos like this even before I come here. Kasi nai-inspire ako that they are striving hard to reach for their dreams. So, ayun lang yung video ko for today. I'm not sure if this is something that you really want to look into, but if you watched it till the end, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And mag-comment kayo sa baba if you found a place that's close to your hospital, or how far away are you from your workplace. So, I really want to know kasi, ayun, chika lang tayo, chikahan tayo dun sa comment section. So, that's it. So, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!